Grabe. Nakakalungkot ang current composition ng Senate natin, oh. Yung Senado natin na nababalutan ng mga bobo at tanga. Oo. Kasi alam nyo mga kababayan, etong si JPE, si Juan Ponce Enrile, naging Senate President din to. At from what I understand, nakadalawang impeachment din siya. Impeachment ni Corona at impeachment ni Estrada. And if I'm not mistaken, in one of them, he was the presiding officer. Yung kay Corona. If I'm not mistaken. Siya yung presiding officer. So, he knows what he's talking about. Kaya mga kababayan, itong mga statement niya kanina, medyo mabigat. Medyo mabigat yung kanyang mga binitawang salita dito sa interview na to. But anyway, panoorin natin to.
For joining us in the program.
Thank you too for honoring me with this interview.
Sir, you have presided over Senate impeachment trials in the past. Do you agree with the way the Senate impeachment court is handling the case of Vice President Duterte in terms of the pacing, in terms of the manner they are resolving?
I don't know whether they've changed the rules, but the Constitution is very clear that you must forthwith try and decide.
Oo, malinaw yun eh.
When you say try, you must hear the evidence and then decide either to acquit or
Convict.
to convict. And the conviction is not to punish. The punishment is removal and disqualification to hold public office, but not jail. I don't know whether they have changed the rules. we never had the experience or procedure like what they have done now to return the impeachment complaint to the impeaching authority, which is the House of Representatives. To me, that is not done because the Senate is a co-equal body of the House. The House cannot perform its job without the performance of the Senate, and the same way the Senate cannot do anything that is valid until the House also performs its function. There is a symbiosis between them.
So, would you say, because that's the big story right now, so would you say that...
Nakakalungkot yung sinabi ni JP, no? Na parang sinabi niya na, no? I don't know if they changed the rules. Oo. Kasi mga kababayan, since 1987, yun na yung rule eh. Di ba? Since 1987, yun na yung rule. Yun na yung proseso. Kanina, pinakinggan ko rin yung interview ni Attorney Christian Bonsod, isa sa mga framers ng Constitution. Sabi niya, nakailang impeachment na. Di ba nakailang impeachment na? Hindi naman nagbago yung rules eh. Hindi naman nagbago. Nadadagdagan pa nga eh. Pero the foundation, the foundational process has not changed. Dito lang daw, for the first time in the history of the Philippines, sabi ni Attorney Christian Bonsod, this is the first time in the history of the Philippines where the tradition, the precedents, di tradition pa kasi pagsabi tradition eh. Yung mga precedents, yung mga ginawa na nung mga naon ng impeachment ay hindi sinunod. At naoobserbahan ng lahat. Karamihan ng mga legal luminaries, mga dean ng mga law schools, mga professors ng law schools, even some of my professors, mga dean ng law school professors, mga legal luminaries, framers ng Constitution, lahat po sila iisa ng sinasabi. Ngayon si JPE iisa ng sinasabi. Na na-bastardize itong ating proseso, na-bastardize ang Constitution.
say that that move to return the impeachment, the articles of impeachment, it's unconstitutional.
Misunderstanding along the way. I do not know why they have to tarry. You know, once an impeachment is filed with the Senate, we have no other choice except to hear, to try it and decide it. And it will not lapse. Once it is within the jurisdiction of the Senate, it has to discharge its duty to judge that case. It's sui generis.
Tama yun eh.
So why do you think there are these kinds of moves to return the impeachment case back to the House?
Well, frankly, I think there is a semblance, at least this is my opinion, that Sara does not want to face an impeachment trial.
Oy, oy.
So that's your view.
Sara, sasagot ka ba kay JPE? Ano sabi? Sara does not want to face an impeachment trial. Totoo naman. Totoo naman. Alam nyo kasi mga kababayan, contrary sa mga... Si Sara is a woman of contradiction. She's a woman of contradiction. Pag sinabi niya malinis siya, sa totoong buhay, hindi siya malinis. Pag sinabi niya na nagsasabi siya ng totoo, sa totoong buhay, nagsisinungaling siya.
But that's from the perspective of VP Sara. How about the senator judges? Because they have a duty to perform, right?
Is that the Congress of the Philippines will put the Constitution on a very peculiar situation. They are now locked into an impasse. Now, who can unravel that? Either you go to the Supreme Court, if there is a case, and get an interpretation. But to me, there is no need. Because we have the precedents of Erap and Corona's impeachment. And the resolution of Senator Batu with due respect to it is unparliamentary. You cannot dismiss. You cannot move to dismiss a case. You cannot even do that in a bill coming from the House, changing the name of a street or a cup or whatever.
Correct.
More so in an impeachment case.
Tama yun, mga kababayan. Hindi ka nga pwede magpalit ng pangalan ng kalsada nang walang consent ng House of Representatives eh. And vice versa. Vice versa. So you cannot... Kaya agree ako sa sinabi ni JP na yung move ni Bato de la Rosa is unparliamentary. Magditis muna kayo sa kayo mag-dismiss.
An impeachment case is not an accountability to the senators. It's not an accountability to any impeachable officer. It is not an accountability to the government. It is an accountability to the sovereign people of this country.
Right.
From whom all powers of government, including the powers of the senator, emanates.
Yun ho ang republika. Yun ho ang ibig sabihin ng republika. Kaya ho Republic of the Philippines. The power of the government emanates from the people. Sa Tagalog, ang kapangyarihan ng gobyerno ay nanggagaling sa taong bayan. Yun ho yun.
So you mentioned earlier that it is the responsibility of the senator judges to conduct the trial, but we're seeing, for instance, Senator Bato de la Rosa, he already moved to dismiss the impeachment case of Vice President Duterte. So should he inhibit himself or recuse himself from the trial?
A senator who shows his bias and partiality I think can be censured even by his chamber if they want to censure him. But that is a no-no. And I
Censure
do
lang.
not know. This is the first time that the senator had the temerity
Temerity.
to ask for the dismissal of an impeachment case. I'm not sure of the answer.
I love the use of the word temerity. Mm. Diba sinabi niya, I'm not sure where Senator Bato got the temerity. Ang ganda nung salita ng temerity. Sa Tagalog nun, kapal at tigas ng muka. Ito ang temerity. Kapal at tigas ng muka. Yan yung sinabi ni former SP, now presidential legal advisor. Oo. Ganun. Hindi ko alam kung saan hinugot ni Senator Bato ang tigas ng mukha. Magsalita ng ganun para mag-file ng ganung motion.
So, Senator Enrile, what goes through your mind when you see these senators introducing new rules that you mentioned are not in the Constitution?
Well, it says without saying that they're not familiar with the Constitution than they should.
They're not familiar with the Constitution.
That they do not know the meaning of the role as jurors in an impeachment trial. They are not there to legislate, which is
Right.
a matter of debate. They are there as juries,
Right.
as judges, to listen to the evidence and to form a conclusion in their mind regarding the weight and gravity of the evidence presented against the respondent.
Tama.
Now, that means there is something wrong with their understanding of the role.
So, the
Yun nga kasi ina-avoid nila eh. Ayaw nila umabot sa punto na maglalabasan pa ng ebidensya. The responsibilidad ho ito ng mga senador. Kailangan makita ho yung ebidensya. I think doon sila natatakot sa ebidensya because ako, mga kababayan ako, I'm really convinced actually, na kapag lumabas yung ebidensya, wala magagawa eh. Baka they really have to convict Sara Duterte eh. Baka, I think the evidence is really that strong eh.
question now, Senator, is how do we get the impeachment back on track? How do we fix this?
Well, let it continue.
Right.
Did the House accept the remanding of the impeachment trial, impeachment case?
They have not. They have not.
That is the dilemma. That is the dilemma. But my opinion is that it continues. Now, you see, the only institution of the government that is members that remain during an election in this country is the Senate.
Right. Totoo yan.
Under the
Continue, buddy.
1935 Constitution, that was also true. But the number
Mas marami.
was reduced by the 1987 Constitution. I do
Parang
not know
20 yata
why.
yun eh.
The purpose of the two-thirds number under the 1935 Constitution, and it was written by one of the most respected and capable senators produced in this country, Claro M. Recto. The purpose of that is that there must be an institution, just like in the United States, that remains all the time to make a decision in case something happens to the president and the vice president or the House, so that we will not collapse or clap as country. 2/3 is more than a quorum of the Senate. That was its purpose. I do not know why they removed that one, 2/3
Naging
and made it
50-50.
1/2.
Binabasa ko ngayon yung 1935 Constitution, ang sinasabi, nung panahon ng 1935 Constitution, ang senators are elected every 6 years, pero divided into 3. Ngayon kasi half-half lang, di ba? 50-50. Nung una, divided into 3. First group will serve a 6-year term, the second group will serve a 4-year term, and the third group will serve for a 2-year term. Yun. Yun yung ano. So, mas marami nga naman. Mas marami yung composition sa Senado. Hindi lang siya 12 nung panahon na yun. Hindi lang siya 12. Mas marami. Anyway, tuloy.
Nothing can function without a quorum.
Walang quorum.
And in the case of war, if something happens like this, we are a country without a government. It's a very dangerous situation. I think we have to change the Constitution and restore the old 2/3 of the
Two-thirds
Senate
lagi ang nakaupo.
that was written in the 1935 Constitution.
Right.
You know what is happening in the Senate? I'm afraid that with this event, the people might be prepared to really revamp the structure of
Ay, hindi ako magtataka.
the government and
Hindi ako
abolish
magtataka.
the Senate.
Hindi ako
Abolish
magtataka.
the Senate.